What's up, Cardano holder? So this is the very important and very urgent update for Cardano holder. New holder, try to understand to in this time the price is totally very badly fails down. So what we will need to do this time to be safe from the loss? As you can see here, just in only my friend, check out here now. The change occurring minus 10.54% fails down. So why this is fails down? What's the price prediction? What's the technical analysis, and what's the price opinion, my friends, to sell, hold, or buy? Everything in this video with details now. But kindly, if you are new my channel, first of all subscribe, click the red button to subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon, select the all option for videos notification to ABS Tech channel. Absolutely every updates you will found now and watch now. So this time, my friend, the Cardano price will fails down, and definitely when a coin fails down, so the main reason of the failing the dumps is that, my friends, to holder are starting selling. So I just in only my friends just advice for all of you now. This is not a financial video. Advise you, my friends, to do this what I tell you. I am 100% sure to you will get a very good profit. Absolutely, you will get a very profit now. So let's get start, my friend, the price prediction. But please, my friends, just and only focus, watch video completely to understand better. As you can see here, this is the last 24-hour chart, my friend, and that's clear to every cryptocurrency while moving in this circulation. To after a dump they will pump, and after a pump they will dump. Absolutely every coin will moving in this circulation. As you can see here, after a huge jump, this time you can see here they were fails down. But definitely, my friends, absolutely after a fails they will take a jump. So therefore, as we can see here, my friend, the total one jump, my friend, I just can only check out the all chart now. Just here now, as you can see, my friend, this time after this huge jump they were fails down, but after this fails also they will take a very huge jump now. So that's the same condition is also, my friend, in this in those days, my friend. Absolutely, as you can see, my friend, after this fell, as just an only check out here now. After this fails they will take a short jump, but after this fails they will also take a very short jump, and after this fails, you can see, my friend, they will moving in this circulation. So that's clear, my friends, to in the last point. After this is just an only check out, my friend. After this fails, absolutely a big jump is coming soon now. So therefore I will notify you to in upcoming jump the very huge pump is coming soon now. So kindly be alert and ready for the huge jump. And if you want to get a profit, so now do this what I tell you. Please hold it, don't sell it. And if you have any plan to invest more, so the price is very cheap, buy it. I hope they will easily hit now 3 USD dollar now, and this time the price is 2.37 USD dollar. My opinion is to please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.